Okay, so as you can see, the tea is brewing at the back over here, and I'm going to make poha in this saucepan here. So the saucepan is nice and hot. I can feel the heat coming off of the saucepan with my hand. I am going to add some ghee now. You can use oil. You can see the ghee melting inside the saucepan. As soon as the ghee gets slightly hot, I'm going to add the first spice, which is mustard seeds, and you can see they're already starting to sputter. Next, I'm going to quickly add the split urad, and I'm going to quickly add split mung. I'm going to cover it because it's sputtering all over me, and I'm just going to let it be for a few seconds. I'm going to turn down the heat. It's getting too hot. Then I'm going to quickly add fennel seeds. As you can see, the lentils have started browning. When you feel that they have cooked and started to become brown like that, that is the time to quickly add the cumin seeds. And then immediately after that, put in your onions, curry leaf. It is really going to sputter now, so take care. Close it. After a minute, I'm going to open it, give it a good stir. You can see how the onions are cooking inside. I'm going to add the asafoetida powder now, just a pinch, and I'm going to add the turmeric powder. That's going to be about half a teaspoon, and I'm going to dump in the green peas. And I'm going to give it a good stir. Combine all the ingredients. And let it sit for a minute. After a minute, I'm going to open it again. And because I like my poha soft, I'm going to pour some water inside, maybe about 1 or 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to let the peas cook completely, which might take another minute or two. So it has been about a minute and a half now, and I'm pretty sure the green peas are completely cooked. Now I'm going to take the heat down to about 3. I'm going to open it and dump all of the poha inside. It's going to be nice and soft by now. So after dumping the poha inside, I'm going to combine all of the ingredients again. It should be a pretty soft mix by now, and the turmeric will start staining everything golden yellow. This is the time to add salt. And a squeeze of lemon or lime. I'm also going to take the fresh cilantro leaves and I'm just going to pinch and cut them as I drop them shredded into the dish. This is also the time to add black pepper. So salt and black pepper were not mentioned among the ingredient list when I began because I forgot about them. But please do add salt and pepper. Now I'm going to set the heat down to 1 and just stir and combine all the ingredients nicely together. After I do this, I'm going to turn off the heat and let this just sit for 2 minutes and then open it to eat my breakfast.